back to our channel, and today we're going to be starting a new series. Go!
Of lunch ideas.
Exactly. We're doing this because to help our parents because they're busy working from home. So we thought of helping them.
Yeah. Now can we start?
Exactly. So subscribe in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's start! So the first thing we're going to be making is bread pizza. This is just like pizza, but bread. So the ingredients are tomato sauce, cheese, we're using mozzarella cheese, and some corn, some tomatoes, and some olives. You could use any toppings for this. Any toppings that you want.
Those are the fun things.
Yes. So the first step is we're going to be applying tomato sauce. Yeah, apply yours. And then we're going to be spreading. We're going to be getting a spoon and we're going to be spreading it around.
More sauce.
Yeah, feel free to put some more sauce in the other one.
I need more sauce for this.
And just keep on
Applying.
applying until well, there should be no whites here, so we're covering all the whites.
Yeah. Gonna put tomato.
But before that, we have used tomato ketchup, but you can also use hot chili sauce to give that extra spiciness. Or you can go to the shop and buy pizza sauce. So let's add whatever toppings you want. I'm going to get some tomatoes first. You can put any toppings that you want first. So that's done. I'm going to be getting some corn. You want some corn?
No.
Okay. That's good for me. There.
I think I put a lot of tomatoes.
And now we're going to be adding olives. I love olives. I am done of my pizza, bread pizza. Oh, you're still doing it? So right now I'm going to be adding some mozzarella cheese at the top of it.
I don't know what that.
It should be full. I'm going to add lots of mozzarella cheese because I love mozzarella. We both are done. So we're gonna keep this aside in the fridge, and we're gonna be coming back tomorrow to put it in the oven and prepare our recess for school, because tomorrow is school. So we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Bye.
Good morning, guys. It's the morning, and now we're going to be preparing our lunches for school.
Where is our lunch going?
Oh, it's in the fridge. I forgot to put it out. There we go. And now we're going to be putting in the tray. Put the bread pizza in the tray.
So we have made the pizza last night. Then we put it in the freezer. Now we got it out of the fridge. pizza.
And now we're going to be putting it in the preheated oven for about 5 to 8 minutes until the cheese melts. So also I've put it in the oven for like 180 degrees Celsius. And be sure an adult is near you so that you don't burn your finger. Now I've got my bread pizza out of the oven. And remember, only 5 to 8 minutes until the cheese melts. And now we're going to be packing our lunches.
Wait. We have to put a bit oregano.
Oh yeah, we could put oregano. I put it in mine. You want some?
I like oregano.
Only a little bit, remember? Good job. And now we're going to be putting it in our lunchbox. I'm going to have the corn one. Okay guys, our pizzas are in our lunchboxes now, and we are going to pack our Reese's and our Crunch and Sip. So
remember, not that much junk.
yes, something healthy.
Yeah.
So we got bananas, and then we got 2 Oreos,
Where is my Oreo? Okay.
and then we got our lunchbox. I am done.
I am done.
Hooray! We did it without any help of our parents. Wait, it's time to go to the store. We're late.
Ah!
Hold on.
That's bad.
I know. Wait for me.
Okay. Could you wait for me?
Sure.
If you are done.